Hello children, welcome to the class. Children, from today we will learn English grammar. Right, we will start learning grammar from the book Essential English Grammar and Composition. Right, so from that book I have taken the first unit, that is the sentence. First unit is the sentence. Children, sentence. What do you mean by sentence, children? So here, when a person wants to communicate with the other person, he needs some communicative way, right? So he wants to express his ideas through some channel. So that channel is known as written format, or by through words we can express our ideas and thoughts, right? That is a way of expressing, by writing or by talking to each other. So to talk to each other, to talk to a person, we need the arrangement of words. Right, without the arrangement of words, we can't make a sentence. So when the words are arranged properly, then we can communicate effectively to the other person, or we can say as we can tell the person whatever we want. We can make the person understand what we want to say to him or her. Right, when the arrangement of words are not in proper way, so that sentence does not mean any sense. That the sentence does not have any meaning at all. So the other person cannot understand what we want to express to him or what we want to say to him. Right. So here, when the proper arrangement of letters are there, then that proper arrangement of words are known as sentences. Or in other words, we can say when a person understands what the other person is telling, so that is a sentence. Okay. Now here, the proper arrangement of words, are important, very important. So without the proper arrangement of words, we can't frame a sentence. Right. So here, what do you mean by sentence then? What do you mean by sentence? A collection of words or a group of words which make a complete sense, which gives complete meaning, are known as sentences. Okay. Now here, why do we need sentence? What is the importance of sentence? Without framing the sentence, we can't say or we can't write anything. Right? Without knowing the arrangement of words, can we express our ideas and thoughts to other person? No, it is very difficult. Right? So here, the proper arrangement of words are very important. So a collection of words or a group of words which gives complete meaning is known as sentence. Okay, sentence is used to say or to write something. Okay, now here we use sentence to say or to write something. Okay, for example, here reading am I. Here first sentence, reading am I. Children, first sentence, did you understand anything? Reading am I. What is that? Did you understand anything? No. Here the words are not arranged properly. Right. So here when we say like this, reading am I. So here no person can understand what I want to talk to him or what I am telling to him or her. Right. But in second sentence, I am reading. When I say I am reading, then the other person can understand easily what I am talking to him or what I am saying. Right, I am reading. So this sentence is arranged properly. Here a group of words are arranged properly and it is giving a complete meaning. So here a person can understand what I am trying to tell him. Right. So here sentence means a group of words arranged in a proper order which gives complete sense are known as sentences. Okay, and here in sentence we have parts of sentence. Okay, parts of sentence. Now what do you mean by parts of sentence? Here parts of sentence means a sentence must have, it is compulsory, a sentence must have a subject and a verb in it. Okay, here a sentence must have a subject and a verb. Now here what do you mean the subject? Here subject means we know that we have English subject, Kannada, Math, Hindi, social like these. Right, subject means we understand that way. But in English grammar, the meaning of subject is different. Okay, now what do you mean by subject? Subject means here the subject of a sentence means names of person, names of place, names of thing or idea. Here in English language, subject means the names of person, names of place, names of thing or idea. Okay, now verb. What do you mean by verb? All action words are known as verb. Okay, the words which tells about the action is known as verb, like running, jumping, eating, skipping, reading, writing, singing, dancing. All the action words are known as verbs. Right here, what do you mean by verb now? Words which express some action, which tells about some action or work of the subject. Okay, of the subjects are called verbs. Here, see for example, subject. Here, Ravi. Ravi is running. Here, Ravi is the name of a person. So, it comes under subject. Is running is verb. Is running is an action word. So, it is verb. Next example, we. We are playing. So, here we refers to the people. Right. So, here we comes under subject and are playing is verb. Are playing is an action word. So, it comes under verb. Next is I. I am eating. So, here I comes under subject because it is talking about a person. Okay, so it is talking about a person. I am eating. Here I comes under subject and eating is action word. So it comes under the verb. So here it. It is raining. So here the word it is talking about something. So it comes under the subject. Okay, is raining. Is raining is an action word. So here is raining is verb. Okay, understood children? Did you understand the meaning of sentence and parts of sentence? Okay, sentence means a group of words having complete meaning or gives complete meaning are known as sentences. Okay, children, in sentence, subject and verb are must. Okay, the sentence must include a a sentence must include a subject and a verb. Now here what do you mean by subject? Subject means the names of person, place, thing or idea. Okay, now verbs are action words. Action words are known as verbs. Okay children, did you understand? Yes, next we will move on to the kinds of sentence. What are the different kinds of sentence we have? We will learn now. Children, next is kinds of sentences. Children, here some gives us order, some gives us advice, and some gives us information. Right, so here based on the nature, sentences are divided into 4 types. Nature means like giving information or giving an order or showing an expression, sudden expression. So based on these things, sentences are divided into 4 types. Okay, so which are the 4 types? The first one is declarative sentence. Here, declarative sentences, it gives information. So declarative sentence makes statement or it gives information. Okay, now here the sentences which have subject before the verb. Here the sentences which have subject means names of person, place, thing or idea. Right. So here the sentences which have subject before the verb are called assertive or declarative sentences. Here assertive sentence are also known as declarative sentence. Okay, assertive sentence and declarative sentence both are same. It makes statement, means it gives information. Okay, now here Assertive sentence or a declarative sentence are used to convey information. Convey means to send information or to receive information. Okay, it ends with a full stop. Always declarative sentence will end with full stop. Did you understand, children? Declarative sentence means it makes a statement. Okay, declarative sentence, it makes statement, and it is also known as assertive sentence. So when the subject comes before the verb in the sentence, okay, when the subject comes before the verb in the sentence, then those sentences are called assertive sentence or declarative sentences. Okay, here declarative sentences always ends with full stop. Okay, so here for example, it is raining. Here it is raining. It is just an information. Right, it is making a statement. Correct. Here no question mark, nothing, no exclamatory mark, no surprise here, nothing. Here just this sentence is giving us an information, is declaring something, statement. Right. Here it is raining. So here the subject is before subject. It is subject, right? Earlier we studied that it comes under subject in a sentence. Right, here the subject is coming before the verb in a sentence. Okay, so here the sentences which have subject before the verb. The sentences which have subject before the verb, then those types of sentences are known as declarative sentence, and always declarative sentence ends with full stop. Okay, children, next one. Tokyo is in Japan. Here this is an information, right? Tokyo is in Japan. So here the sentence is declaring a statement. It is telling a statement. It is giving statement. So here Tokyo is in Japan. So here we have Tokyo and Japan both are subjects, right? It is name of a place. Is in verb, so he is in Japan. So here the subject is coming before the verb. Okay, so here in a sentence it may be two subjects. The sentence can have two subjects also, two subject and a verb. Okay, understood, children? Declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means it gives an information. Okay, and always it ends with a full stop. Okay, next statement. Next is interrogative sentences. Now, what do you mean by interrogative sentences? Here, interrogative sentences means asking questions. Now, I will ask you in the class also, please tell me the answer for the question. When I ask question, or I'll ask, did you do your homework? Why are you talking? The sentences which ends with question mark. Okay, the sentences which ends with question mark are known as interrogative sentences. Okay, so here interrogative sentences, it asks a question. Interrogative sentences asks a question. So when a verb comes before the subject, when a verb comes before the subject, the sentence becomes a question. Okay, so here such a sentence is called an interrogative sentence. When a subject which comes before the verb, then that sentence becomes a question. Okay, and always the interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Always interrogative sentences will end with question mark. See, for example, where are my keys? Here keys are subject, right? So here are is verb. So here the verb is coming before the subject. So when a verb comes before the subject, in the first sentence, are is verb and keys are subject, because it is the name of a thing, right? So here, where are my keys? And I'm asking question. So here the sentence is ending with question mark. So this sentence are known as interrogative sentences. Okay, next. Are you coming with me? Here coming is verb and me is subject. Right. Are you coming with me? So here the verb is coming before the subject. Okay, so here when the sentences in a simple form, when the sentences ends with question mark, so that type of sentences are known as interrogative sentences. Children, did you understand the declarative sentence and interrogative sentence? Next, we will move on to the next type of sentences. Children, the next type of sentence. The next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. So what do you mean by exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a sudden feeling of joy, sorrow or surprise is called an exclamatory sentences. Okay, so here the sentences which express a sudden feeling. Okay, if we are if we are in a joy, if we are sorrow, if we are scared, okay, and if you are feeling any surprise, so that type of words are known as exclamatory sentences or exclamatory words. Okay, here exclamatory sentence make a very strong statement. So here exclamatory sentences makes strong statement called exclamation. Okay, here exclamatory sentences, it makes strong statement and it expresses a sudden feeling. Exclamatory sentences expresses sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, happiness and surprises. And we end an exclamatory sentences with an exclamation mark. So here one like this, a line and a dot is known as exclamation mark. So the exclamatory sentences always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, see here for example, how beautiful she is. Okay, when we look at a girl or a lady and she is beautiful, we express a feeling, right? How beautiful she is. And here that type of sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. Here next is what a kind thing to do. What a kind thing to do. What a good thing to do. Okay, this is also an exclamatory sentence. Now, hooray, we have won the match. Here the word hooray is a sudden expression of feeling of happiness. When we win a match, so we will express the sudden sounds, right? So that type of sounds are also known as exclamatory sounds. So here, an exclamatory mark can come after the exclamatory word. Okay, so then we can continue with the sentence. Okay, understood children? Exclamatory sentence means it expresses a sudden feeling. The sentences which expresses sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, happiness and surprises are known as exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentences always declare or give strong information. Okay, and strong statement with an exclamation. Okay, and always exclamatory sentences ends with exclamation mark. Okay, now here next type of sentence. Next type of sentence is imperative sentence. Now what do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means it gives an order, request or advice. Imperative sentences gives an order, request or advice. A sentences which expresses a command. So when we give a command, order or request, so those type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. Now here imperative sentences can also end with exclamation mark. Okay, not only exclamatory sentences, imperative sentences can also end with exclamation mark. Okay, so here for example, please sit down. Here we are requesting. We are requesting with the word please. Right? Please sit down. So when the sentences include the words like order or request or advice, then those type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. So please sit down, tell me the truth. Okay, next is go to your room. Here see, as I told that we can end imperative sentence. We can end imperative sentence with an exclamation mark. So here see for example, go to your room. Okay, but we are ending with an exclamation mark. So this type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. Now speak up, tell me the truth. So these type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. And next type of sentences is optative sentence. Now here what do you mean by optative sentence? So here optative sentences means the sentences that expresses sudden wish. Okay, the sentences which expresses sudden wish are known as optative sentences. See, for example, may she live long, may God bless you. So here when we express a sudden wish to the person, so that type of sentences are known as optative sentences. Children, did you understand the meaning of sentence and the types of sentences? I hope you have understood. Next, we will continue with the textbook exercise, children. Children, based on the sentences, we have an exercise activity. Okay, what they have given? Rearrange the following group of words into meaningful sentences. So here they have given group of words, but those words, group of words are not arranged properly. So it is not giving any complete meaning. So we have to arrange the group of words and we have to make a complete meaningful sentence. Okay, now first one what they have given is raining it. Is raining it. Children, does this sentence have any meaning? No. So we have to arrange the group of words in a proper order. Now what the answer will be? Is raining it. So the correct option or the correct answer is it is raining. So here it is raining is the correct arrangement of group of words. Okay, now second one. Women, are they beautiful? Women, are they beautiful? Children, does this sentence has any meaning? No. So here we have to write it as they are beautiful women. So here they are beautiful women. So if we write like this sentence has some meaning. Right, so here rearrange the following group of words. The words are not in proper order. So we have to rearrange the group of words and to give a meaningful sentence. Now third one, bark dogs. Children, does this sentence has any meaning? No. So here dogs bark. Dogs bark is the correct statement or correct sentence. Okay, dogs bark means here dogs make sound. Right. Here next, fourth one. Sun is the a ball fire off. The sentence is sun is the a ball fire off. So children, does this sentence has any meaning? No. So here what we have to write? Sun is the sun is a ball of fire. The sun is a ball of fire. So children, now this group of words has some meaning. Right. Children, here next also in your textbook they have given 4 more questions. So you have to do it by yourself. Children, this will be your homework. So if you have not understood, so in the next class I will clear your doubts, children. Thank you, children.